Hi, my name is Johnathen and JARUP, and my material number is CF210274. Today I'm going to present about our project, and our company name is Tabelian Construction Sdn Bhd. We are from Group 7. This is our group member, which is consists of 5 members. Start from Isaac, which is as a managing director, and me, JEURANE, as an executive director, and Johnathen as a project manager, while FIERDERICK is project control, and lastly is JEFFERSON as a administration. We start our company profile. Tabelian Construction Sdn Bhd is headquartered in Batu Pahat, Johor. It's a fully experienced moving truck contractor. Our company is among the moving truck contractors who are recognized for having a quality management system (ISO). And our company also has a extensive experience in construction of building, infrastructure, and so on, which is worth over 10 million ringgit throughout our establishment in 2032. We also have financial capabilities and have a 5 million worth of trade finance facilities. And first, I will start about a project cost estimation, which is floor area method. We can see here a previous project price is 90,000, and area governed is 74.55 meter square, and volume governed is 564.78 meter cube, and rate price for area is 90,000 divided by 74.55, and we got is 1,207.24 ringgit. For rate price for volume is 90,000 divided by 564.78, and we got is 1,059 ringgit. For volume meter method, this is our layout from side view and front view. The total volume is length, time width, and time height, and the total volume is 570 meter, and cost per meter is 32.6 ringgit Malaysia, and our total cost is 46,319.7
Hi, my name is Jefferson CHANTONG JEMAT, and my matrix number is CF210178. So this is the quantity measurement for topsoil, reduced level, and bed footing. For topsoil, excavation topsoil for preservation is 108.32 meter square, and then for depth preservation topsoil in temporary soil is 10.83 meter cube. For reduced level, excavation to reduced level max depth is 21.66 meter cube, and then bed footing is starting from reduced level max depth and filling to excavation with mat arising from excavation is 9.64 meter cube, and then EO pit excavation for excavating in rock is 0.96 meter cube. So this is the quantity measurement for trench for ground beam. As you can see, this is the value that we have calculated. Next, for quantity measurement for removal excavated material, which is 0.43 meter cube, and formwork, which is column stump, is 50.58 meter square. Quantity measurement for steel reinforcement is for bed footing is 197.20 meter, and then for the column is 104.72 meter, and then this is the bar that we choose, GB1 and GB17, also which is 27.36 meter. Then for the result for GB3 and GB15, which is the result is 51.36 meter, and then for the GB5, GB11 and GB13, which is at 6.04 meter, and then for the GB7 is 11.68 meter. For GB9, 18.68 meter. GB2 and GB8 is 47.36 meter. For GB4 is 11.68 meter. For GB6, 15.68 meter. For GB10 is 47.68 meter. GB12 is 18.68 meter. GB14 is 12.68 meter, and GB16 is 16.68 meter.
Hi, my name is Johnathen. My material number is CF21052. So, as you can see, I will present about the reinforcement bar in bed footing, column stump, and ground beam. So, in the picture above, this is the dimension for bed footing and column stump and for the ground beam. So, for the total meter for the 12 mm is 470.82. So, and for the 16 meter is 197.20. So, and for the total kilo is for 12 mm is 417 and 61, and for the 16 meter is 311.838. So next is the build quantity for element of structure work. So we have the excavation of site average of 100 millimeter deep to the remote and the cut away soil. And for the first is the excavation to foundation drain and the backfill of the construction. And the second one is the hardcore for discard split, level well and compaction water. And we also have the lean concrete grade for 15 binding with the surface finish level to the finished concrete. And next we also have the reinforcement concrete for grade 25. So and they are for 100 millimeter and 400 millimeter. We also have the transect. So for the next item is for the maximum depth not exceeding 1 millimeter for pad footing. So we also have height tensor bar enforcement to concrete as described in G, H, I, and J. So we also have the sand filling. So filling cable trench with the approved sand. So for the element 2, we also have the finishes. So finishes, we have the wall finishes and cement and sand with an approved pesticide as specified. So we have item 2 here for A and B. So B is the tie work. So next is for the build quantity, we move to the element of 3, which is ceiling finishes. So for the A item, we have the bendering on the trusses at 600 cc to receive the ceiling board. So the item B is the soft board. So the item C is the conical, and for the D is painting and the ceiling board. So this is the unit on quantity and the red one month. So next is the roof. So we also have multiple of element in the roof. So we have, for example, we have rafter, strut, pull-in, ridge board, work plate, and fascia board. So this is the example for the unit and the quantity and the amount. So our next item that's included inside our bill of quantities is doors. So our doors is made up of the material of wood cypress, and then it was covered with tempered glass. And then the door frame and the finishing is made up with the material of wood, mahogany, and also aluminium. And there's some iron geometry inside our doors material. Hi, my name is Isaac. So we'll continue on our bill of quantity presentation. So our item inside of our bill of quantity is also included with windows. So our windows are made up with aluminum material, and we have 12 units of it. And including inside our windows BQ is also glazing, which is a thick glacier glazing, and which the glazing to metal in the metal 50 in pans. Our window boards are made from the material of wood cypress, which is a wooden material. So we have also 12 units of it, which each of the window quantity that we saw from the recent description above. And then we have curtain rod follow up with it, and then the finishing we will put painting, which will touch up the manufacturer priming coat and apply 2 undercoat and 1 finishing coat closed oil paint. So our next calculation is for build up rate for 1 meter cube of soil excavation. So the item that included into our build up rate for this work is work salary, and then soil excavation, and then follow up with spreading up soil in making up it to the level, and then filling and ramming the soil, and then cutting away the remaining load, then typical soil expansion, and we set our profit on 20%. So after we calculate off based on the rate that we have proposed just now, so the cost of excavation is 5 ringgit 0.27 cent per meter cube, and then the cost of spread in making up level is 29 cent, and then cost of filling and ramming is 1 ringgit 53 cent, and then cost of cutting away remaining load is 75 cent, and then the profit that we made from each meter cube is 1 ringgit and 54 cent. So the total cost of 1 meter cube excavation is RM 8 ringgit and 4 cent per meter cube.
Hi,
My name is FIERDERICK RUDI and my material number is CF210276. I will continue present about the build-up rate. This is our calculation for 1 meter cube of selected concrete grade using concrete mixer. Calculation for 1 meter cube of concrete grade 25 using concrete mixer 1 meter cube concrete 1 equal 2. This is our data. After do the calculation, we get cost of material is Rm 147 and 74 cents. Cost of labor is Rm 33 ringgit 75 cents. Cost of machinery is Rm 18 ringgit 91 cents. And cost of concrete in 1 meter cube is Rm 240 cents. For final summary, this is our data. After do the calculation for performance bond, we get Rm 3,364 ringgit and 30 cents. For LED is we get Rm 7 ringgit and 37 cents. That's all for me. Thank you.